This is the Amazon PPC stack that I run on every single client account. Some of these tools have saved sellers thousands of dollars a month. One of them is stopping them to make a lot of profit because it's burning so much cash. So they stopped completely to use that. And it was a big mistake that most sellers are doing. Realizing it was very important for them so that they could improve the profitability as fast as possible. And I'm going to rank all these tools from the best to the worst so that you can know exactly which one you should have first and then which one you should avoid at all. And there is also an unpopular truth that not many sellers know. There is a tool that everyone is using it, and I don't want you to use it. So I suggest you not to use it. So keep watching the video till the end so you know all the tool suit to use. So these two that I'm gonna tell you to avoid is something that we tested for a lot of years. We worked for a long time with them, but we are not satisfied with it at all. So why the stack matters? Because most sellers buy a lot of tools, but they don't use profitably. Most sellers miss the important tools and they don't use the things that are more important to them, right? So having the right stack saves them hours and hours and hours every week. You cash wasted ad spend. You see exactly the KPIs that are important for you without wasting time tracking everything. And is a real client workflow, so it's very useful. In the description, there will be also the link to our discount code for some of the tools, but even if you don't use the affiliate code, because those are important tools. So I'm suggesting them to you because these are good for you, not because I take something from it. So each tool can set hours of work. So in total, this is my minimum estimation. If you use all these tools correctly, you can decrease your working time by 10 hours weekly. Minimum. Is the tool I want you to skip. So Django Scout, we worked for a long time with Django Scout. Some tools are great. Django Scout, there is some tools that are great. There is some things that I don't like about Django Scout anymore. So the Chrome extension sometimes doesn't have all the data, especially when we analyze in Europe. They don't show the data, so it's extremely slow to get the data. Sometimes there is problem logging in the Chrome extension. We've seen it recently. I'm not sure if it's an issue with the connection or the app, but I'm telling from our experience, sometimes this app does work properly. We need to use um, uh, other web, how do you call it? Firefox we need to use sometime or Internet Explorer instead of Google Chrome for some reason. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's not their fault, but we see this problem. And we've seen with some clients that sometimes the tracking doesn't work properly or the data are a bit mm, not super reliable. So there are some good features with Django Scout with the app Chrome extension. It's also cheaper compared to other softwares. But I suggest you to use instead Helium 10. The price is a bit higher. It goes from 99 to $300 per month. You can usually use the $99 per month plan. That is the main one that you need. Is a good standard. I'm talking specifically for SEO reasons. So if you need to do SEO-based advertisement, that is the system that we suggest and we do with our clients, you need the Helium 10, you need the $99 plan and sometimes the 207. We don't use it for PPC. There is some features for PPC. We don't use it for PPC. So there is another tool that you can use is Amazon Scout. There is some other features, AI features. It's cheap. It's cheap. It is an alternative. We have also a tutorial about that on our YouTube channel, so you can check it to know more about that. But the main one is Helium 10. So there is this is the number two tool that we suggest is very important is Seller Board. or an alternative to seller board, like for example, Zone Wizard. Seller board is the standard for European sellers, right? And USA sellers. So all over the world, seller board is the standard. If you're located in Europe, it's good and simple to use Zone Wizard. There is also other alternative software similar to them. But the important thing, you need to have a tool like Sellerboard, and the Sellerboard is starting very cheap. They have like, we have a discount if you want. There is a tutorial on our website. You get discount, you get 2 months free trial, and then is $90 per month, so it's very cheap. You require it is required to track margins and KPIs, and this is the tool that we prefer absolutely. Like, even if so we work with them, so I know them very well. We created a lot of videos about that. So you can watch on our YouTube the masterclass, all the videos explaining you how to use Ad Labs. But we did those videos because this is very good tool that you need to have, and I suggest you to have. There is a free plan for this tool, and then there is a premium plan that you need. They suggest everyone to use, but you can use it for free. There is also a discount code that we have. So search our tutorial. So you type AdLabs tutorial in YouTube, you search for our video, and there is a full tutorial about this tool where we show you all the tools. This helps you to scale and monitor KPIs specifically for Amazon PPC ads, and also for the full account, and also it makes you optimize manually big campaigns, a lot of stuff all together manually, because I don't usually suggest AI managed tools right now. There are some good ones, but if you want to do it manually, you want to learn ads, I think is the standard right now. And these are some results that we got with this suite. So this list of tools: Helium 10 Seller Board and Ad Labs. We found massive keyword leak on our playlist on our YouTube regarding Ad Labs. You can see the process that we use to remove these leaks. We got, for example, minus 46% reduction in echoes. So double sales with half ad spend. That is an incredible results in my opinion. Double client sales, yeah, and sometime we got the results a lot of time. We can clean up ad account in 24 hours or less with some of the strategies that we use. You can see them in the playlist or in our tutorial. You see the tool, and so this is the list for you. So number 1, Ad Labs. Number 2, Seller Board. That is the standard. Number 3, Helium 10 is a little more expensive, but to set up campaigns is necessary. I suggest you to create campaigns with Helium 10, and then you can unsubscribe and resubscribe when you need to do keywords analysis, SEO-based ads. And we suggest Django Scout to use. You can use Django Scout for some automation and marketing tools. For keywords, you can use it if you have low budget, but it would be better to have Helium 10, right? So if you want to know more about our processes, you can scale your Amazon PPC today. You can stop wasting ad budget. You can get the full list of all the tools and how to use them. You can get a free audit clicking below. If you want to have a discount of Ad Labs, there is the discount code that is success, so you can get the free trial and then 25% off on the plan. So it's super convenient. And yeah, if you want the analysis, get a call and let's optimize your ads together.